Hey guys, Valerie here. I wanted to do a week in my planner. So it's Monday evening and the day is gone. I'm sitting on my bed getting ready to go to sleep. So here's what we're looking like. Not too much got done on here, unfortunately. I still have some time to do some of this other stuff. Okay, this I decided to put off until we have a toy box because it doesn't make sense when the babies are playing with the toys and have nowhere really to put it away. So that's going to be moved forward. Couple-Boy's hair did not happen today. That's going to be moved forward. I did this, but I'm waiting on a response, so I just have a dot there. My water plants, I still did not do that. You guys know I've been putting this off for like a week. Oh my goodness. So I need to move that. I'm going to move that. I did not paint my toenails. I did not copy the Bible or listen to my Spanish lesson. I can still have time during the week to do that because I want to do that at least 1 to 3 times for the week for Spanish. And for reading, I wanted to make sure I finished a certain amount of pages. Oh my gosh, I still need to figure that out. How many pages I wanted to finish for the week so I can finish the book by the end of the month. So the copy Bible I also wanted to get done 1 to 3 times for the week. So I still have a few days to get those done. I'm not too upset about not doing it. I'm doing this right now. My husband did this and found out about that. 1 Kings 3 and 4, I still have not read that. Wow, it's been a busy day. Okay, I still have time to do this though, so I'm going to do that. I might still read at least a page. I don't care if it's like literally 2 minutes of reading. I still want to read my book, Wildflower Heart, and this is by something Green. I don't know. I'll put the name of the author on the screen here. These need to move. My blood sugar's been a good day. I've been under 90 when I woke up, which is good. Under 120 for all my meals, which is good. I have one more snack. It's 10:30 right now, so I can have my bedtime snack and then I can go to bed. I do have a little bit of journaling that I'm going to do. I'll do that after. We had some family, friends, more like family, come over and hang out for a little while, so I'll just write some of that in there. And let me go ahead and forward these tasks for tomorrow. So, let me move this pen. My husband and I just came back from walking around our neighborhood because I needed to get my steps in, and I did. These I will put here for tomorrow. Whoops. Okay. What else was moving forward? Organized baby closet. I don't know when I'm going to do that. Covey's hair. I'm going to try to do that tomorrow. So, Covey's hair. Okay, let me get a sticky. Gonna get a sticky, and I'm gonna put organize baby's closet. I'm gonna put that out further in the week because we need a toy box. So that's not getting done tomorrow. Let me put it for Friday. Just gonna stick it on there. Okie dokes. My steps for the day, I'm not going to put the total yet because it's not past midnight. Whoops, sorry. Had to switch hands on the iPad. Got a little shaky. So far I'm at 43.44. My goal is 4,000 a day, so that's good. I need to highlight this, but I'll do that tomorrow or later. Okay, anything else being forwarded? This I should probably remind myself tomorrow to follow up with. Okay, wrestling video. These are tentative, so I'm not going to write, well, I need to do this, but this is tentative, so I'm not going to write that in. And that is it for the day. Oh, tomorrow I wanted to do a 10 to 20 minute HIIT workout, so let me add that in so I remember to do that. That's in addition to my steps for the day. Get some exercise in. I'm going to put these there again too. Read, copy Bible, and Spanish lesson. Alrighty, that is it for Monday and prepping for Tuesday. I shall see you guys tomorrow to see how my day went.